So in this video, we want to talk about Lucid Motors as they prepare to report their Q2 delivery statistics. Now, other EV producers have reported better than expected numbers such as Tesla and NIO. And so the question is Lucid Motors next? Now, before we get into the charts, I would like to go over what we can expect on the upcoming delivery statistics. So all eyes are now on Lucid Motors as it gears up to reveal its statistics from the past quarter. The company hasn't released a specific date for the delivery report. However, Lucid stock closed out trading in the green, signaling that the market is optimistic about its progress. Now, amidst a volatile year, Lucid stock had a very good day on Wednesday, ultimately closing higher by more than 7%. This performance puts it in the green by more than 12% over the past 5 sessions, setting a positive tone for when the trading resumes. The catalyst appears to be investors betting that Lucid will have similar luck to its competitors with its delivery figures. Now, Lucid's poor performance over the past few months, down roughly 30% this year, has caused many investors to sour on the stock, but deliveries could help turn things around. Here's what a contributor at Investor Place had to say. Lucid Finances also placed it as one of the EV stocks to buy. It is currently trading at an immense discount, and there is significant room for upside to hit its previous peak. Company is burning a lot of cash, but still has over $4 billion, and it is being heavily backed by the well-funded Sodia Public Investment Fund. So they do have a lot of cash, which should take them a long way to becoming break even. Now, investors will be waiting closely as Lucid prepares to reveal its Q2 deliveries. If they show a record number, Lucid stock could experience a sustained rally. This is especially true if the EV market continues to show signs of recovery. All right, so let's look at the monthly chart, and you can see that price is still respecting this 13 simple monthly moving average. However, the price action suggests a bottom has been hit at this $2.50 level. Taking it down to the weekly, the momentum moving averages are still pointing down. We have yet to get that bullish crossover. This is the 13 and this is the 26 simple weekly moving average. So another sign that price has reached the bottom is when we finally get that crossover and above, where the blue line crosses above and over the orange line. Now, as the article reported, the stock gapped higher and continued to move up during the week, closing at $2.93. However, these rejection wicks should signal that the upside might be limited. The big level that I'm watching is this support resistance band at $3.80, and then the next big level is up above, and that's going to be where you have a drop in price, basing candle, and a drop. And when price returns to that level, the remaining unfilled sell orders got filled, pushing price down. So this is the other big level that I'm watching, and that's weekly sellers at $5.20. Now, if we take this down to the daily chart, as indicated by the moving averages, price has been relatively sideways for the past several months. Question is this the real McCoy now? Meaning, is this going to push higher in the coming days and weeks? Only time will tell. These big rejection wicks signify and suggest look for a short-term target at $3. What's also worth noting, they do have earnings, which they report at the end of July. If you like Lucid, It's not a bad opportunity. Dollar cost average. If you need more confirmation, wait till price takes out this $3.80 resistance band. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And please like the video.